If you want to take macro photos on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, all you have to do is of course go to the camera, and then in the photo mode you should be able to find this flower icon, and this is the macro mode. Now in this case we need to keep the distance between the subject and the camera, and this is how we can take the photo. As you can see, if I come in closer and closer, I can just capture a pretty solid picture of the subject. However, you can also alternatively use another technique in order to capture a macro photo. More precisely, we can keep the distance between, even bigger distance between the subject and our camera, and then we can just zoom in. And by using some zoom, you should be able to do still a pretty good picture. You don't want to keep it too close because you will lose the focus, and sometimes the camera switches between different camera lenses, so you might want to adjust the value of the zoom as well. But this is also a certain way that allows you to capture a pretty good macro photo. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.